Hey guys, Kayla Marie Butler here from ivorymix.com, and I'm going to share with you how I put video onto the templates that I use on my Instagram stories. So this is one of the questions that I get very often. Occasionally I don't like to put a full length video on my stories. I like to make the video a little bit smaller and give some negative space around the video, so I end up putting the videos onto templates, and I do that really simply with an app on my phone. So the app that I use to create video stories on is Canva. So this app has multiple different templates for various different social medias, and the one template that I use is a custom template that I made of my own. But you can grab an Instagram story template here and you can search through all their various templates. Each one of these templates has sometimes multiple. So if you see at the bottom here, it says there's 6 different templates. So there's 1, 2, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are all customizable. So if you wanted to create an Instagram story that you add a video onto, you just pick the story you want to edit, hit edit, and then you can customize it to your own brand colors. You can pick various different colors, okay? And you can edit the text, you can change the font. But the thing that you want to know is how to add the video, which is pretty easy. So you're just going to click on the image in your template and then go through your gallery and search for a video that you've previously recorded. Okay? So, and then once you're done with that, you're going to download it. And so it's going to download as a video, and then you can save that to your Instagram stories. So you just go to your Instagram and go to create a new story, and you can upload the video. And you can even add more text to the video and add stickers and make it really fun once you've got it inside of your Instagram stories, okay? So that's as easy as it is. You can create really fun, cool video templates all through Canva. If you go to the Canva app and go down to Instagram story, search through the various different story templates, and all you have to do is have a video that you've made on your phone already, and you'll be able to download it through the Canva app on one of these customizable templates. Alright, there it is. Have fun. Subscribe. Go to ivorymix.com for more free stock photos and Instagram tips, and we'll see you next time.